Hey everyone, welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today, we're at Sierra Vista Mobile Estates in Fontana, California. This is an all-ages, gated community with fantastic amenities like a swimming pool, playground, and basketball court. Living in Fontana has so many perks, from great schools to nearby shopping, parks, and easy access to local highways, making it a wonderful place to call home. Today, we're looking at a beautifully renovated 1986 Paramount model with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,152 square feet of living space. It's priced at just $189,900, with a space rent of $830 per month. Take a look at the exterior. This home features a light brown finish that gives it a modern, warm look. There's a small area in front where you can add a garden or seating area, and the carport comfortably fits 2 cars, with additional space for a shed if needed. Let's start by entering the home through the utility room. Here, you have enough space for a side-by-side washer and dryer combo, plus cabinets above for extra storage. It's a functional and convenient entry point. Now, moving into the kitchen, you'll find everything you need, including a dishwasher and plenty of cabinet space. The solid surface countertops are both stylish and durable, and the overhead lighting keeps the space bright and welcoming. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, which comfortably fits a 3 to 5 person dining table. The overhead light adds a nice touch to this cozy space, perfect for meals with family or friends. Now, onto the living area. This room has cathedral ceilings, which really open up the space and make it feel larger. The vinyl flooring runs throughout most of the home, giving it a sleek, modern look, while the bedrooms are carpeted for added comfort. There's plenty of room here for all your furniture, making it the ideal spot to relax or entertain. Next, we head to the first 2 guest bedrooms. These rooms are a great size and can easily fit a full-size bed with end tables. You could also use one as a home office or a hobby room. Both bedrooms feature standard-size closets for storage. Now, let's check out the guest bathroom. It has modern vanity lights, an upgraded single-cell sink, and a tub shower combo. The renovations here really make this bathroom feel fresh and updated. Finally, we arrive at the master bedroom. This room has a large window that lets in tons of natural light, and the cathedral ceiling gives it a spacious feel. You've got a standard closet for your storage needs, and the attached master bathroom features a larger single-cell sink, similar vanity lights to the guest bath, and a standing shower. It's a comfortable and stylish retreat. This is a wonderful home in a family-friendly community, and it offers a lot for the price. If you're looking for a place to settle down, Sierra Vista Mobile Estates in Fontana could be the perfect fit for you. That wraps up our tour of this renovated 1986 Paramount home. Be sure to leave a comment below and rate this home from 1 to 10. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mobile home tours every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.